This is the step to on the TV. First, you must make sure that you have a TV remote, and then turn on the switch behind the TV cabinet. Then you must take the TV remote and switch on the TV. Please make sure to use the bigger TV remote to switch on the TV. Once you already switch on the TV, just wait for a while for the TV to reload. Once the TV already switched on, please take the smaller TV remote to choose the selection of the channel. If you want to watch YouTube, you just choose under Watch as a guest. And if you want to watch Netflix, you must use your own account, but please make sure to log out after you check out. And that's it. Thank you for staying with us. Grab a stay homestay.